Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove forgotten password in Galaxy A15 device. Well, if you forget your password and you don't know about the password, so don't worry, I am giving you a tip how to unlock your device. But guys, I am telling you that all your data will be wiped from this method. So guys, if you don't know the password and you want to unlock your device, so don't worry. All you guys have to do just first of all plug in the charger from here. Now, you guys have to press these three keys at the same time: volume up, volume down, and power button. So, until the phone is power off. So, as you guys see, the phone is power off. Now, leave it and then press volume up button and power button. Okay, bye. Now, since the touch is not working, so we have to use volume button and power button. So, just go to wipe data and factory reset and then press power button. Again, volume down button and then press power button, so that all the data will be start wiping. And as you guys see, the data is wiped. Now press the power button so that your phone will be start rebooting. So okay guys, as you see that the phone is now start again, we have to set it up. Okay, now if you want to set up manually, you can click to set up manually. So just enter the password here guys. Guys, as you see that we have an icon of a lock here, that means our phone is locked right now, but we have to enter the Gmail account that was previously logged in this device so that it will be unlocked. Now guys, since I don't know the phone password, so I'm gonna use my Google account instead. So just enter the Google account here which was registered last time. Click next, enter the Gmail password guys, then click next. If you want to add this account, you can add previous account. You can also use new account. So I am just selecting previous account, and that's it. As you see, the phone lock option is now hide. That means our phone is now unlocked. Just click don't copy, and your phone is now start. That's how we can unlock our phone if we forget the password in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.